Benefits of industrial and commercial photovoltaic installations. 1. Make use of idle roofs to revitalize fixed assets. Increase enterprise income and added value. Corporate rooftops have been a forgotten resource. No additional occupation of land resources is required. No additional occupation of land resources is required. The power station becomes a fixed asset of the enterprise. 2. Save your business heat electricity bills. Most businesses are connected to industrial electricity. After installing the photovoltaic power station, the power generation can fully meet the demand of electricity production. 3. Pollution-free emission. Photovoltaic energy itself is renewable and clean energy. Almost zero emissions and zero pollution. 4. Protecting corporate roofs. Reduce the temperature inside the factory. Increase the service life of the roof.